Oh, there goes the train to Foxborough, to the Patriots game. Right to the Patriots game, directly to the stadium. It's filled with Patriots fans, as you may expect. And this is Mansfield, Mass. The train had to come down here, turn around, and then it's going to veer off to the left up here and go to Foxborough, where it will stay there during the entire length of the game and turn around, come back and go right back to Boston. So there it is, the Patriot special. Still going, looks pretty full. Bunch of people with Patriots gear gone on before, just moments ago. And there's the turn. Making the turn off the Amtrak. Whoop, stopped.